How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix floating objects in Bambu Studio or OrcaSlicer. Either way, the methods are going to be the same. So I have this simple model right here that is basically floating, and if I click on slice plate, we will get this error right here. It seems object cube has floating regions. Please reorient the objects or enable the support generation. And so, as you have seen on this error message, you have to use support. But if you don't want to do that, it's extremely simple to do this. Just click on the model itself. And then from here, you want to look for the split to objects option. So just click on this button. And basically, this will then put everything on the plate itself. So let's just click slice plate once more. And then basically from there, we won't be getting any more error unless we have this one right here. So you just have to make a few more adjustments, and that's basically it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.